Hi there, we're going to show you how to make some really simple cardboard tube animals for autumn.
Now if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel.
And click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on all the new stuff.
Keep watching and we'll show you how to make these.
For these cuddly creatures you will need felt in a range of colours, 5 cardboard tubes, craft glue, permanent pen, googly eyes and a pink pom-pom. To start with, cut a piece of felt for the base of the animals that fits snugly around your tubes, with a couple of centimetres excess at the top. Ours measured 14 by 17 centimetres. We're using brown felt for the owl, white for the deer, beige for the bunny, red for the fox and grey for the badger. Add some glue to the edge of the felt and, lining up the bottoms, roll the felt around the tube. Add glue to the other side to seal. Add more glue inside the top and fold the raw edges in. Repeat this for each animal. Cut out the felt pieces using the templates provided for the fox, badger, bunny, owl and deer. For the fox, glue the ears inside the top of the tube. Wrap the face section around about 1 centimetre from the top and glue at the back. Glue on the 2 fox feet, then add the tip to the tail and glue this onto the back. Glue the nose to the centre of the face. For the deer, glue the face around the top of the tube with the edges lined up. Repeat for the body with the bottom edges lined up. Glue the ear pieces together in pairs, then glue inside the top of the tube. Add a little pink nose for the face. For the owl, layer up the scallops for the tummy so that they just overlap and glue them together. Use the tummy template to cut the shape out, then glue it to the centre of the owl. Glue a wing onto either side of the tummy, add the owl ears and then the little triangular beak. For the bunny, glue the little pink ears into the brown ears. Glue the 2 round bunny paws onto the feet with the 3 toes around the top. Attach the bunny ears to the top, then add the little bunny tummy with the feet on top like this. Add the bunny nose. Finally, for the badger, glue the eye patches onto the tube with the straight edges lined up with the top. Add the tummy piece and the little feet. Then glue the ear pieces together like the deer and glue in place, along with a little black nose. Glue googly eyes onto each felt animal. We've used slightly bigger ones for the owl. Add a pom-pom tail to the back of the bunny. To finish the deer, just add some brown speckles to her tummy with a brown Sharpie.
There we go, cardboard tube animals for autumn.
And you don't have to stick to these animals, you could make any animals you wanted.
There are loads of other kids craft ideas over on the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub, so make sure you check it out.
Thanks for watching.